everybody, welcome to Life with Sunny Lee, and it has been a difficult week, to put it mildly. Started out good. Sunday, our oldest son came down to visit and stayed overnight, stayed till Monday. So it was nice having everybody home, and we had a good day, and everything was working out well. Then Sunday night, I just didn't feel good. My stomach was hurting. I had a hard time getting sleep, and then the rest of the week kind of went downhill a little bit. Monday, like I said, my son was still here. And just because I don't feel good doesn't mean I get to take the time off. I mean, it's like every mom knows that your house, you have to run your house. You have to take care. You got animals that depend upon you. You have family that depends upon you. You have to keep moving until you can't. So, Monday, my son was still here until he had to go to work. And then, let's see, I had put Dusty on her flat collar because her walking harness was starting to tear. Putting her on a flat collar alone is a little bit harder work. You have to be a little bit stronger to keep her from pulling. It's just harder. And so on Monday we had her harness started to break. So I put her on the flat collar. Tuesday, I decided to go ahead and cut a piece of that grass padding, that pea bed that she had before, and put it in the new crate, not new crate, but the new potty thing, hoping that since it had a grill over the top that she wouldn't be able to get to it. She managed to pull the thing out of the way and away from the wall and get to that padding and tore it all up. So I had to clean her floor, put her in the crate, clean that. She does not like the broom. She does not like the sweeper. She went crazy in the crate while I was doing that. But I got that mess cleaned up, and I learned that nope, you can't put the pea pad, can't put a pea pad in there, can't put grass pea pad, can't put anything in there. And she's still not using the new potty that I brought her. So I have to make sure I take her out more often so she can go potty. So we have that little bit of a problem. And let's see. Sean had brought down a nice leather bag that was kind of worn. It's worn. It had scratches on it, and the area were not the same color, was worn. The color was worn down. So I started working on that. It was really stiff. So I conditioned it really well a couple times, and started on that week, and I've been working on it all week. I ordered some leather dye for it, and it's turning out really, really well. With the new dye, all the scratches are gone. It really looks great. So I'm finishing that probably Monday or Tuesday. I'll have it done, because I can only do one side. You can only dye one side at a time, then you have to turn it over, let it dry for 24 hours, turn it over, and then do the other side. And then you have to do the sides of it, and the bottom, and the straps, and all that stuff. So it takes a little bit of time. You can't just do the whole thing at once unless you hang it up. And I never thought about hanging it up. I don't have any place to hang it. So anyway, that's what I've been working on as far as my project this week. Wednesday, I did not go to the gym Monday because I just didn't feel that good. Wednesday, I still wasn't feeling well, so I didn't go to the gym. But I had to get some stuff done around the house. And so I took care of the floors, swept the floors and stuff. We had a visitor come, and so that's one of the reasons I stayed home, one of the reasons I cleaned the house really well. Then on Thursday, again, I wasn't feeling that great, but I had to get some stuff done. So with lots of breaks, I ended up taking all the Mardi Gras stuff and Valentine's stuff decorations down and putting up all the Easter stuff. And I also managed to get 5 loads of laundry done. And so it's like, do a little work, sit down, and rest a little bit. Our printer had not been working right. In fact, it had quit working altogether. It just said that, gave me a couple of warnings. It said that, first of all, that a cartridge was missing or damaged. Well, all the cartridges there, they weren't damaged. There wasn't anything wrong with them. And then when I took them out and put them back in, it said it wasn't a original cartridge. Yes, it was. It's the same cartridge that was in there before. So I had to go online and find out how to troubleshoot that. So I got that taken care of. And then on Friday I finally started feeling a little bit better and went to the gym. And then Friday night we went to see a friend play and sing at the brewery. And then after that, we came home and found that one of the cats had died. And looking back on the camera, it looked like it had some type of heart attack or something like that, because it was walking up to its front of the cage and it just fell over. So that, and then a couple minutes later, it managed to crawl itself over in the corner, and that's where it died. So I wasn't too happy about that. Saturday we went to town, got some groceries and stuff, and came back home and found another cat was sick. And I have just enough antibiotics to give it medicine on Saturday and Sunday, and then I'll have to go and get more antibiotics for it. It's got the same thing that the other cats used to have, with the runny nose, discharge, and the third eyelid coming down. So I have to watch that cat, and hopefully it will get well. So that is what our week has been. Feeling better, as you can tell, not so stuffed up. And hopefully you have a good week. Remember, dream big and follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.